Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to 5x. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of u, we have number 1. First derivative of 5x, we have number 5. That's why we simplify like this. Because we don't have number 5 next to the x, so we need to divide both sides by number 5. So this one we change by u. The s we change by this one. The integration of this one, we have e to the power of u and we put about c. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.